Hi! In front of me is CUBOT King Kong Mini 2, and today I would like to show you how you can change the food apps on this device. First of all, go into Play Store and download your new default app. In my case, it will be Browser. So I'll go with Opera. I have to wait for this to download, and then I can click Home button. Then you need to go into device settings, choose apps and notifications, click on default apps, and for example, I want to change my browser apps. I have to go into browser app section, tap on Opera, and simply go back. As you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!